Tanish, the focus, of course, this time is going to be on Amethi and Rai Bareli. It's a prestige battle as far as both the BJP and the Congress party are concerned. What's at stake? Where are you right now? And what are voters saying? What are they feeling as the red carpet is rolled out for them today?
Well, Rishika, I'm at one of the polling booths in Gauriganj in under Amethi, and I would like to show you first the voter turnout here. We can see a lot of women actually have turned up to vote. In fact, few moments ago, the queue of the women was actually the longest queue. But of course, there are 4 different queues here. But I would like to speak to the voters here of Amethi. आपका नाम?
सोचकली
क्या मुद्दे हैं आपके इस बार वोट करने से पहले? सब ठीक है, मतलब क्या विकास का मुद्दा है आप लोग के लिए? राम मंदिर मुद्दा है, क्या सोच के?
राम मंदिर मुद्दा है।
राम मंदिर मुद्दा है आप लोग के लिए। हाँ। राम मंदिर फर्क पड़ता है राम मंदिर से आप लोग?
अच्छा लगता है मुझे। हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा खुशी है राम मंदिर के लिए।
आपको खुशी है? राम
बहुत खुशी है कि राम मंदिर बन गई, बहुत खुश है।
अच्छा।
हाँ, ये राम मंदिर के लिए तो बहुत सब खुश हैं।
अच्छा, चलिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आई वुड लाइक टू स्पीक टू अदर रिपोर्टर। सर, आपका नाम?
आई एम दयाशंकर तिवारी।
Sir, what are your issues while voting? What is in your mind? Development, inflation, unemployment?
Mainly development, and because of many things, whatever infrastructure that have also been closed, and no new infrastructure has been raised. Hospital has been victimized. ITI has been shifted to somewhere else. Many other things are there, and people also someone say, and of course कांटे की टक्कर है, ऐसा मैं नहीं कहूँगा कि स्मृति ईरानी साहब मैडम भी जो वो काफ़ी काम किया है, लेकिन ये कि जो है अब ये अमेठी पहचानी जाती है, लोगों को ये नहीं भूलना चाहिए, ना भूले हैं हम लोग। तो एक बार जरूर बरगलाने से काम हो गया है, लेकिन हर बार नहीं बरगलाया जा सकता। लोग जो है इसको समझ रहे हैं। महंगाई, बेरोजगारी सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा मुद्दा है, और वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड, पीपुल विल अंडरस्टैंड स्लोली।
एक बात ज़रूर यहाँ पे आती है कि गांधी जी खुद राहुल गांधी जी खुद नहीं लड़े।
अरे तो उनके परिवार वो है अमेठी, रायबरेली छोड़ा नहीं, उनके दोनों अपने उनके कहते भी हैं कि हम परिवार है हमारा ये, और वो कहीं नहीं जाएंगे यहाँ छोड़ करके। हमेशा राहुल अमेठी के लिए चिंतित रहते हैं। अब चूंकि लोगों ने एक बार धोखा चाहे बरगलाया गया है, या लोग यही समझे कि हमारी ज़्यादा उन्नति हो जाएगी, लेकिन ऐसे इस चीज़ों से झूठ बोलने से सबसे नहीं हो पाएगा। ये सब चीजें जो है सामने सबके धीरे-धीरे
I just want to point out here, Tanishq, of course, you know, if I can just interrupt you there. Very interesting conversation, because what this essentially tells us is how this battle is going to play out. Remember, Priyanka or Rahul, both not on the ticket, right? But it is their face as far as the campaign is concerned. They've put their face to the campaign. They put their heart to the campaign, many would say as well. With, you know, we've seen Priyanka Gandhi going nukkar to nukkar. You know, she's been sort of camping there in Amethi and Rai Bareli, you know, campaigning very heavily over there. So will the face be enough this time around? And will, you know, the BJP sort of development track record over the last 5 years, the promises that they've made to the people of Amethi, have they really come through on that? Is that going to be an issue? So it's going to be very interesting to see what actually happens, because many say that it is a close contest. It's not a walkover.
And as that voter also put it very articulately there, that, you know, it's a kaate ki takkar there. But very quickly, Tanishq, also speaking of Ayodhya, you know, this time around, Ram Mandir certainly is a big issue as far as UP is concerned. In fact, one of the voters also telling you there that that Ram Mandir is something that they're voting on. In fact, the SP candidate also now saying that Lord Ram is on his side. So how do you see the battle for Ayodhya playing out?
Well, of course, you know, Ayodhya, as we know, for the past two terms, it is a BJP MP that has been winning over there. But you know, while I was speaking to a lot of reporters on ground, especially in Ayodhya and other voters in Uttar Pradesh, for them, you know, the voters who were actually in the favor of BJP, there were two kinds of, I found there were two kinds of supporters of the BJP, or the voters who would vote in the favor of the BJP. One of course for whom Ram Mandir was a very important issue, like this lady whom I was talking to. Ram Mandir, the construction of Ram Mandir matters to them a lot. But apart from that, there was other section of reporters who actually supported the BJP, but for them unemployment and inflation were concerns. Yes. They were hopeful that, you know, in the next term, if at all the BJP wins, the issues of unemployment and inflation will be addressed. So of course one cannot separate these things. Yes.